Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best chainsaw sharpener is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who uses a chainsaw. Keeping your chain sharp is crucial for both safety and efficiency. In this video, we'll dive into the Dremel Chainsaw Sharpener Attachment, exploring its features, ease of use, and how it can help you maintain your chainsaw chain for optimal performance. Let's get started and see if this attachment lives up to the hype. Number 5. KEWAYO 20-piece Chainsaw Sharpening Kit. This quick adjust sharpening angle guide kit is fast and easy to use. You can easily screw it onto your rotary tool and start filing away. It fits on most mandrels or rotary tools you may have. The steel angle guide can reduce vibration and is easy to control. The diamond sharpening burr is made of emery grain and a metal shaft handle. It provides an effective grinding effect and removes only a small amount of metal. This chainsaw sharpening accessories kit fits most chainsaw blades. It includes an angle guide attachment, a wrench, and 18 diamond sharpening wheels in 3 sizes. This kit helps maintain your oil chains, gas chains, or manual chainsaws, as well as other blunt garden tools. As chainsaws wear out, their efficiency decreases. This sharpener set allows you to make your chainsaw blade sharper. The angle guide provides the sharpening angle. You only need to fix the grinding angle and move back and forth on the fillet. This enables even the dullest chainsaw chain to be easily sharpened in just a few minutes. What we like. This kit is incredibly easy to use, with a quick adjust angle guide. It features a premium steel angle guide and diamond sharpening burrs for effective grinding. If you're looking for a comprehensive and easy-to-use kit that includes everything you need to sharpen your chainsaw, lawnmower, and other garden tools, this is the one for you. What people say. This set was very easy to use and allowed me to sharpen my chainsaw blade to cut like a new one. Guide on top helps to guide the angle nicely, and was not awkward. But the sharpening bits worked perfectly. I attached it to a Dremel and in less than 10 minutes had a chain that really cut nearly as new. The chainsaw began to produce chips of wood without me forcing the issue. Number 4. Dremel A679-02 Sharpening Attachment Kit. Tired of dull tools? This Dremel kit is designed to sharpen your outdoor gardening tools, chainsaws, and more. It's the perfect solution to give your favorite tools a new life. The A679 Sharpening Kit includes everything you need. It comes with attachments to sharpen the dullest blades and chains, providing the perfect angles for optimal performance. This kit works with Dremel models 100, 200, 3000, 4000, 7760, 8220, 8240, 8250, and 8260. It also fits the Dremel 4300 with the correct accessories. The kit includes garden tool, lawn mower, and chainsaw sharpening attachments, along with various sharpening stones, a wrench, gauge, and spacers. It has everything you need to get the job done. The 453, 454, and 455 aluminum oxide stones are perfect for sharpening various chain sizes. It makes maintaining your chainsaws simple and effective. Installing the attachments is simple. They easily screw onto your Dremel rotary tool, so you can start sharpening right away. What we like. This kit simplifies your backyard and garden projects with its multiple attachments. It's compatible with various Dremel tool models, making it versatile. If you have a Dremel tool and want a complete sharpening solution for your gardening tools and chainsaws, it's a perfect choice. What people say. Worked excellent for sharpening my chainsaw chain. Worlds faster than filing by hand and does a better job. Best to spray the links with a little brake cleaner before filing to remove oil and debris which will clog the stone. Stone can also be sprayed to help it work better. Match the chain on the saw to the right-sized filer and you are good to go. Good, clear directions. You must already have the Dremel tool, this is just an attachment for the Dremel. Very easy to use, excellent results depending on the bits you use. I just got some not so expensive ones and they work as expected. I've sharpened the entire chain and the bit and tool worked flawlessly. Great acquisition. Number 3. Dremel 1453 Chainsaw Sharpening Kit. Tired of dull chainsaws? This kit is designed to sharpen them fast and easy. It's a great way to get your chainsaw cutting like new again. This kit helps you maintain multiple chainsaw sizes. By regularly sharpening your chains, you can significantly extend their lifespan. The kit includes grinding stones in 4 different sizes. This allows you to match the stones to your specific chainsaw chain for optimal sharpening. This kit offers a grinding depth of up to 30 mm. This feature ensures you can sharpen your chains effectively and efficiently. The kit comes with everything you need. It includes a sharpening angle guide, an adjustment gauge, and 4 chainsaw sharpening grinding stones. What we like. This kit offers a fast and easy way to sharpen your chainsaws. It includes grinding stones in multiple sizes to match different chains. If you like a straightforward and efficient solution to keep your chainsaw cutting like new, this kit is a great option. What people say. Great way to extend the life of a chainsaw blade. Works well. I can easily put an edge on my chains in 3 to 5 minutes. Have ran saws for years, and this is an easy way to freshen up a saw chain, especially in the field with a battery-operated drill or Dremel. Number 2. MTP 5-Pack 532 Diamond Chainsaw Sharpener. Are you tired of a dull chainsaw? This pack of 5 diamond sharpeners from MTP is the perfect solution. It's designed to sharpen your chain quickly and efficiently. This sharpener fits a variety of tools, including Dremel, Craftsman, and Black & Decker. It's also compatible with Husqvarna, Ryobi, Echo, and Poulan chainsaws. This makes it a versatile choice for any chainsaw owner. Each burr has an approximate overall length of 1 to 3/4 inches. The 1/8 shank diameter fits most rotary tools. This ensures it can handle the job. The burr diameter is 5/32 inches, ideal for sharpening chainsaw blades. The grit is between 120 to 150, providing a fine yet effective sharpening action. It will restore your chain's cutting edge. This package includes 5 burrs, ensuring you have plenty on hand. Manufactured by MTP, this product is built to last and deliver excellent results. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This product features diamond burrs for effective sharpening. It's designed to fit Dremel tools and comes in a pack of 5. If you are looking for replacement burrs for your Dremel tool, this is a cost-effective and reliable choice. What people say. Good stone for sharpening my chainsaw chain between cutting wood. Keeps chain sharp for fast easy cutting. Seems slightly more durable than standard stone grinder for chain sharpening. Works well with the Dremel tool for fast, efficient sharpening. Number 1. Dremel 1453 Chainsaw Sharpening Kit. Is your chainsaw not cutting like it used to? This kit is the fastest and easiest way to sharpen your dull chainsaws. It will make your work much easier. This attachment easily connects to your tool. It's designed for the 1453 Chainsaw Chains tool, making the sharpening process simple and efficient. No matter the size of your chain, this kit has you covered. It's compatible with a variety of different chain sizes, ensuring versatility for all your needs. Keep your gardening tools in top condition with this sharpening kit. It includes everything you need to sharpen your chainsaws, ensuring they remain sharp and ready for any task. The set includes a sharpening angle guide, adjustment gauge, chainsaw sharpening grinding stones, and a wrench. It has everything you need to get started right away. What we like. This kit provides the fastest and easiest way to sharpen your chainsaw. It easily attaches to your tool and works with a variety of chain sizes. If you need a quick and simple solution to sharpen your chainsaw, this kit will get the job done. What people say. Works great, perfect for a homeowner with occasional use. Works great, as it should. Read the directions and you will be sharpening pro before you know it. Easy to use. Sharpen my ego chain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.